Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at solving multi-step equations. And today's one is very special. We are looking at solving multi-step equations that involve fractions. So let's dive right into it. So we have this question 1 on 4 multiplying the expression x minus 6 minus 1 on 3 multiplying the expression x plus 5 is equal to 1 on 5 multiplying the expression x minus 13. Now, how do we go about it? So first of all, I'm going to have to rewrite the entire expression as x minus 6 all on 4 minus x plus 5 all on 3 to be equal to x minus 13 all on 5. Now, over here, I can see that there are three different denominators, that is 3, 4, and 5. Now we need to get a number for the least common multiple, Now the best way we can get it in this instance is by multiplying the three numbers. That's going to give us 3 multiplying 4 multiplying 5. That will be 60. So I'm going to have to use the least common multiple, which is in this case 60, to multiply the entire expression. So I'm going to multiply the left hand side by the least common multiple and the right hand side by the least common multiple. So I'm going to have 60 multiplying x minus 6 on 4 minus 60 multiplying x plus 5 on 3 to be equal to 60 multiplying x minus 13 on 5. Now when we go a step further, 4 will go into itself once and go into 60 15 times. So I'm going to have 15 multiplying x minus 6 minus 3 will go into itself once and go into 60 20 times. So I'm going to have 20 multiplying the expression x plus 5. That is equal to 5 goes into itself once and goes into 60 12 times. So 12 multiplying the expression x minus 13. Now I'm going to have to expand the brackets. And when I do that, I'm going to have 15 multiplying x minus 15 multiplying 6. That's going to give me 90 minus 20 multiplying x minus 100 to be equal to 12 multiplying x minus 156. Now I just use the numbers over here to multiply whatsoever is in the bracket, the number outside the bracket, to multiply whatsoever is in the bracket. Okay. With that being said, now we're going to have to group both like terms. So like terms, we group like terms together. So doing that, we're going to have 15x minus 20x on the left hand side, but there is 12x on the right hand side. So we are going to move the 12x to the left hand side. So when it is positive on the right hand side, when it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes negative. So minus 12x. Now the variables are finished. So we can go to the numbers. It's equal to negative 156. That's the number over here. Now we can move the ones over here. So we can move the 90 to the right hand side plus 90 it is negative 90 over here. When it crosses, it becomes positive 90. Then we can move the 100 over here too. It is negative 100. When it crosses the equal to sign, it becomes positive as well, so plus 100. So we are going to have minus 20 minus 12 all multiplying x is equal to 190 minus 156. Now, when you simplify this further, we are going to have 15 minus 20 minus 12. That's going to leave us with negative 17x. So we're equal to 190 minus 156. That's going to leave us with 34. Now, we need x, so we can go ahead and divide both sides by negative 17. So doing that, we're going to have negative 17x is equal to 34. We divide both sides by negative 17 by negative 17. Negative 17 takes this one away, and I'm going to have x to be equal to 34 on negative 17, which is equal to negative 2. So that means that our x as a final answer is equal to negative 2. Okay, let's consider this other example. So we have 1 on 3 multiplying the expression x plus 3 minus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 5 is equal to 4 whole number 1 on 3. Now, we're going to have to rewrite the entire expression once again, and we're going to have x plus 3 all on 3 minus 2 multiplying x minus 5 all on 1 to be equal to 13 on 3. Now, we can see that we have just two numbers over here, that is 3 and 1. And then the least common multiple in this case is just 3. So we multiply through the entire expression with 3. And doing that, we're going to have the left hand side 3 multiplying the expression x plus 3 on 3 minus 3 multiplying the expression 2 x minus 5 on 1 to be equal to 13 on 3 multiplying 3. And these terms can cancel out. We are going to have x plus 3 minus 3 multiplying 2 multiplying x minus 5 to be equal to 13. So we'll be having x plus 3 minus 6 multiplying the expression x minus 5 to be equal to 13. In this case, we're going to have x plus 3 minus 6x plus 30 is equal to 13. Solving for x, we can group terms together. We'll be having x, minus 6x as like terms. Then we can move the numbers to this side. So we'll be having this to be equal to 13 minus 3 minus 30. Now this negative 5x to be equal to 13 minus 33. That gives us a value of negative 20. We divide both sides by negative 5 and divide both sides by negative 5. This takes away this, and we have our x to be equal to negative 20 on negative 5 gives us a value of 4. So in this case, our x equals 4.